Okay, just wanted to take this into evidence as well by the mercy of Allah, because Allah has transformed weather a lot, much now. So the weather system of Lahore that was related to the raining has been transformed once again by the command of Allah. You can see the sky is very much clear. The sun is bright, but the system of cloud that was in the morning, a few hours, just 1 or 2 hours before, you can see how much that has been changed completely by the command of Allah. So it happened after when I was recording the video and educating about the existence of Allah and His control over the system of universe to the Hindus. That is my Urdu in Urdu. That is my video in Urdu. But after that, the system transformed, and it looks like there was no raining. Anyway, Allahu Akbar.